Let's watch this video to learn how to start building your LinkedIn outreach campaigns in Kanbox. With Kanbox, you can set up automated sequences so the tool will automatically perform a series of actions to contact members, such as visiting profiles, following members, and sending connection requests and messages. Before creating your campaigns, check a few settings. First, the schedule. You can choose your time zone, the days, and the time period you want the campaigns to run. You can also adjust quotas. By default, these are set to comply with LinkedIn limits, but if your account is well established, you can increase the quotas. Conversely, if you want to keep some manual actions for yourself, you can decrease the quotas for the campaigns. Once everything is ready, let's see how to create a new campaign. It's straightforward. Click on the New button, then select the steps for your campaign. Let's quickly go through the steps. First, choose the recipients. They can come from a list of leads you've imported or from your network, such as members you've labeled. Next, you can enable profile visits, follow actions, and connection requests. Here's a bit more detail on connection requests. You can set a delay between the previous action and this one. You can also add a note, but only if you're a LinkedIn Premium user. Additionally, you can choose to skip this step for open profile users, as you can send a message directly to them without a connection request. Skipping connection requests can speed up your campaign. You can also add labels automatically to users who accept the connection request or respond to the note. Next, you can send a first message and follow-up messages. For these steps, you define the message content. You can create a specific message and use variables for that. You can also select a message template. Then you can set up labels to be applied automatically. Once everything is ready, save your campaign and launch it. Your campaign is now running. The tool will select a batch of users daily, add them to the campaign, and go through the steps. Now it's time to track your progress. In your campaign view, you can see basic statistics at the top, like how many users are being processed and how many have completed the sequence. You can also access more in-depth stats, including charts for each step and rates for connection acceptance and message responses. Another tab provides a view of tasks, both completed and scheduled. When a campaign is created, it's automatically associated with a Kanban board we call a pipeline. By clicking here, you can see this pipeline. Each column corresponds to a step of the campaign. When the campaign is running, members are moved automatically from columns to columns. If you want, you can rename the columns. This view lets you see all members and their position in the sequence at a glance. You can also directly engage with members who respond, continuing the outreach from here. You can also manually continue the process, create your own steps and move users from automated columns to your own columns, managing the entire outreach workflow seamlessly. With Kanbox, tracking and managing LinkedIn campaigns has never been easier.